Chakradhar.
Look, Amma.
You carried it, my darling. Ah, everything looks perfect. The garden is so bountiful today. I'll take a few tomatoes, some green chilies, and lots of fresh coriander. I'll cut the onion first, watch carefully.
Wow, it's so fast.
Now the tomato, like this.
Let me try.
That's right, sweetheart. That smells delicious. Yes, it's perfect.
Let's heat up the pot. Now we add a little oil. Perfect. Let's make some fresh tempering. We add mustard seeds, cumin, curry leaves, and dried chilies.
Father is back. Welcome home.
Hello, little one.
Here is some fresh hot rice for you.
That looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Mama.
This is absolutely delicious, my dear.
Simple food. Simple life. But made with love, it becomes unforgettable.